Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. And today, I am doing my clean girl glam for you guys. More so like an updated everyday makeup routine because this is my go-to. Very quick look, can be achieved in 15 minutes depending on your skill level. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this clean, super natural, or neutral, should I say, look, keep watching.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
So the first thing I like to do is tone my skin with the Good Molecules brightening toner. Go ahead and get any excess oil or dirt off of my skin, and then I follow that up with my moisturizer. This is by Equate, but it's the Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer. I like to lather my skin up, get it nice and juicy and plump. And then I go in with my eye gel, which is a Yerba Mate eye gel from Good Molecules as well. Then my primer, the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I absolutely love this. I can't even remember the last time I bought Milk Hydro Grip just because this primer is such a good dupe for it. Now for my brows, I use the Got To Be Glued Ultra Glue. It is important to get the clear gel if you're going to use it for your brows. If you want that laminated brow look, this is a great product if you don't have like the soap brow product. Now for my actual brow color, I'm using the Brow Potion from My Baby 427 Beauty. Link in the description box. Check it out. I'm using our Brow Potion in the shade Chocolate. It's a highly pigmented brow pomade and I absolutely love them. For my foundation, I'm using my Revlon Color Stay in the shade, I think it's Cocoa Cappuccino. And the blue thing that you guys saw me grab was the foundation mix and pigment. I've talked about it years ago on this channel, but love that product. If you guys would like more information on that, because I do have the full collection of the foundation mix and pigments, let me know in the comment section. Especially if you're a makeup artist, it helps save from having to buy so many different products to adjust the undertone. I'm a Fenty Beauty concealer girl again. So I'm laying down my concealer, and then I like to go in with my e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Maldives just to give my face that kissed look. Now, this is where I messed up. I should have contoured before I used the blush, but I didn't. So I went in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and my forehead is red because I still have some leftover blush product from the Maldives Putty Blush on my contour, but I do go in and fix that later on in the video. Now, as far as my concealer, if y'all don't listen to nothing else that I say, this is the important part. This brush from Real Techniques, it's going to give you the most airbrushed, flawless concealer experience possible. Like, look at how this is blending out and literally just melting into my skin. It's not the product. I use this technique with every single concealer and it gets the job done every single time. Now, I do like to go back in with my foundation brush and marry everything together because it has my foundation shade on it. And again, that's going to just marry my concealer, my blush, my foundation, so my entire face looks seamless. I'm so obsessed with my base routine. I don't know what else I could do to make it better, but like, my base eats. Now, to define my nose even more, a good nose contour starts in the brow bone. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Espresso, and I am carving out my nose shape to make my nose a little more defined. Now, here's the thing. Y'all know I'm a bronzer girl. I love to look warm. I have not come across a bronzer yet that treats me better than the Black Radiance complexion palette. I absolutely love these palettes and they're super affordable. So if you haven't tried them out yet, definitely try it out. Now, for my concealer and my under eye, I do like to go in and set it with a color before I do anything else to my eyes, such as like going behind it with a highlighting powder, which I don't really use anymore, but this is MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan. And then I like to spray some setting spray, which is the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And I go back in and structure the eye a little bit more using my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. This has definitely kind of been like my go-to palette. I can get an eye look out of this, some eyeliner out of this, and blush. So if y'all don't have this palette, definitely go to Ulta or run to JuviaSPlace.com and cop it. It's amazing. Another thing I've added to my routine is a matte white inner eye highlight. It just opens up the eye so much in a subtle way, and it really does make all the difference. For my lashes, because you guys clearly see I don't have my lash clusters in, I'm using the Rokel Beauty lashes in the style Solar Flare with my Poppin' Ivy latex-free eyelash glue. Why am I stumbling over words? Eyeliner is Simma Brown by Wet n Wild Beauty. And then for my lower lash mascara, I'm using Their Real Mascara. The trick is to use the travel size if you really want your lashes to be defined. Now, another product from my baby, 427 Beauty, I am using the liner Choc. It is called a lip tracer. Once again, check the description box if you guys would like to purchase. But I'm using the lip tracer in the shade Choc. And then for my lips, I'm using the lip juice in the shade Baby Girl, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's my absolute favorite gloss ever. And then I am topping that gloss with the Gloss Glaze, which is just a clear gloss from the brand Muse Beauty. And that pretty much finishes up the look. You guys are going to see me change real quick because I'm about to grab Mocha Mami to bronze up my face and kind of bring everything together. But for the most part, this routine literally takes me maybe 10 to 15 minutes and I'm out the door and she looks great, period. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm actually kind of trying to hurry up because I do need to hurry up and get downtown for my cousin's graduation. Sorry about the cars outside. But anyways, this is it. This look was super simple. I promise you guys, if I was not filming, this would have been done in literally 10 minutes. It has been my new go-to look. Obviously, having to put lash strips on because you guys know I am a cluster girl, but I've been giving them a break. So yeah, I am done with the look. I hope that you all enjoyed it. All products, as always, will be listed down below in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out. If you do choose to click on the links and shop from them, they are affiliate links, which means I will earn a very small commission if you guys do decide to purchase the products in the description box. And I also want to throw this in here, which maybe when I start back doing just my makeup videos, especially if I'm about to go somewhere, I'll include a fragrance. So today I'm using fragrances from Dossier. No, this is not sponsored. I absolutely love them. They have cut down my fragrance habit very, very much. I used to splurge. Well, I mean, I was a fragrance splurger. I'm very much a fragrance snob, but I absolutely love Dossier. If you guys don't know anything about them, I will have the video about their brand down below in the description box for you guys to check out. But I am using the fragrances Woody Sandalwood and Ambery Saffron. Woody is a dupe for Le Labo Santal 33, and then Ambery Saffron is a dupe for the Baccarat 540. So if you guys are wanting to check out those fragrances, those are actually two of my favorite fragrances. Dossier does offer a really amazing dupe, so I will have the links for that down below in the description box. And if my coupon code still works, that'll also be in there as well. I don't earn money off of that, but it does save you guys money whenever you purchase. So be sure to check that out. Yeah, I don't have anything else. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Get it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again.